What's going on, guys? Sorry I couldn't be with you all today, but sure y'all do awesome anyway. Just wanted to go over a review real quick before you all take your quiz. Um, and do wonderfully on it. The quiz is going to be almost exactly like this, other than changing the number, so it would behoove you to pay attention. So, we're still working with solving systems of equations with word problems, and we've done all of these types of problems before, so it shouldn't be any issue solving this. Now, I will say on your quiz, half of the question is defining your variables. I've stressed to you all how important it is to define your variables, so I would love for you to do that or get half your points counted off. So this first question, the difference of two numbers is 1, their sum is 15, find the numbers. All right, so in defining these variables, we can say that x, x equals one number and y equals the other number. All right, we just label that because we don't know what the two numbers are. But what we do know is the difference of the two numbers is 1. Remember, is equals. So difference is subtraction. So the difference of the two numbers is 1. And then their sum is 15. All right, so looking at these two equations, they're already set up in for elimination. So there's not much we have to do to solve this one. Oh, excuse me. There we go. All right, so remember we add the two equations. These terms cancel out. X plus x is 2x. 1 plus 15 is 16. X equals 8. All right, also, you may see the answers on your paper. Those are just there to help you check your work. So you plug in 8. Bloop, 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 bloop. And these are your two numbers. All right. So for time's sake, I am going to go to the Alright, so going to the next problem. So the difference of two numbers is 1, their sum is 13. So exact same thing. So x is the first number, y is the other number. Alright, so the difference is still 1. Sum is 13. Again, don't have to do anything extra because they're already and we can cancel these out again because they're opposites. And when you add opposites, they cancel each other or they equal 0. So we get x equals 7. And then we plug it back in. Oh, I'll put 3 right there. It should be a 7. Boom, again. Both odd and satis. Alright, so let's go to the next one. So it gets a little more complex once we get down to these. But set them up, solve them the same. So you're selling cookie dough, packages of cookie, chocolate chip, and oatmeal. Shanice sold 1 packet of chocolate chips and 4 packages of oatmeal for $62. Matt sold 2 chocolate chip, 4 of oatmeal for $68. All right, so I'm going to define our variables here. So for chocolate chip, we can say C equals chocolate chip. And O looks too much like a 0, so we're going to use the M for meal, which, again, it doesn't have to be these two variables. You can make variables whatever you want them to be. They can even be symbols if you wanted them to be. But they're just taking the place of an unknown. We don't know how many chocolate chip cookie dough they sold, or oatmeal. So pick any two variables. Now, the first question, you saw one package of chocolate chip and 4 packets of oatmeal, and it equaled $62. The second one, so 2 packages of chocolate chip and 4 packages of oatmeal for $68. Now, to solve these, notice that in this problem, we don't have opposite terms. So now we have to multiply either one or both of these equations by something that will give us an opposite term. All right, so this is 2, this is 1. I can multiply this by -2. All right, and what I'll get is, I'm gonna write it up here, get -2c minus 8m equals 124, -124. And then we just bring the other one over. All right, those cancel out. Get -4m equals -124 plus 68 is -56 by my -4. Get the number of oatmeals is 14. All right, so we plug in 14 into the other equation. I am running out of space, but we have 1c plus 4 times 14. I'm plugging it in the first equation. And no, that's not what I wanted to multiply. 4 times 14 is 56. Let's see. Shoot. Why is this not working? That is not what I want to do. There we go. Alright, so back to the issue at hand. So we got 1c plus that, 1c plus 56 equals -62. Wait, no, 62. Is that right? Oh yeah, I'm just plugging it in. Subtract 56. I'm running out of space. So you have 1c. That's going to confuse y'all. Right here, 1c equals 6. So c equals 6. All right, and we have our 2 values there. Now on the next one, so I get my pens. Okay. You're doing the same thing, but you're gonna have to do a little more work. All right, so now you're selling tickets, adult tickets. 6 adult tickets, non-tickets were $189. School took 172 a second day. So 10 adults, 2 childs. So A is the adult tickets, or the cost of adult tickets. So that's cost of adult tickets. And C for cost of child ticket. So we have our two equations, well, two variables. Now to equation 6 adult tickets, which is A, 9 children's tickets, which is C, equals 189. So you have 6A plus 9C equals 189. Then a 10 adult tickets and 2 children tickets equals 172. Alright, so here's the rub. Now 10 isn't a factor, 6 isn't a factor of 10, and 9 isn't a factor of 2. So we need to multiply this by both of these by something that will get them opposite terms. Alright, so I can multiply by this one, the top one by 10 and the bottom one by 6, negative 6. Or the top one by 2 and the bottom one by by 9, negative 9. Alright, so we'll go with the former. Multiply this by 10, this by negative 6. And so once you do that, you get 60A plus 90C equals 1890. Alright, and then you do the other side, 60, or the bottom one, 60A plus or minus negative 12C equals, I don't know that number, 1032. Alright, remember that we add. Gone girl. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh, subtracting this. 90 minus 1032, 858 divided by 3. That cannot be right. Hold up. Wait. Because that is 90C. Okay. Not 9C. So 90 minus 12. 78. I apologize for that. And we're going to divide 1032 by 78. That's not right neither. Hold on. What did I do wrong? 60, 90, 90, negative 60, negative 12C, and negative that. Divided by 78. Oh, there we go. What the heck did I do that? Oh, divide the wrong number. Okay. So divide by, we'll subtract that, you get 858. And you got 78C equals 858 divided by 78. Boom, boom. C equals 11. So chocolate chip cookies are $11 each. Then we plug in 11 to find out what the other number is. So we have 6A equals or plus 9 times 11 equals 189. And you solve. Again, like I tell y'all in class, if you can't solve at this point, you should be coming into tutorials so you know how to. What? So we got 6a equals 90. So divide by 6. A equals 15. I'm sorry, you can't. That is kind of tight in here, but I lost my pen isn't working, so I can't write as small as I would like to. All right, and the last one. All right, so I really want y'all to be careful on this one. It says the width of a rectangle is 4 less than length. The perimeter is 122 inches, find the length and width. And I'm going to use different variables just so you can see this differently. I'm going to use X and Y. Normally with perimeter, we use L and W. Well, let's see what happens when we use X and Y. So we'll say X is the length, Y is the width. All right, so your first equation, well, let's start with the perimeter one. Remember, perimeter of a rectangle adds up all the sides. So you got Y plus X, or 2Y plus 2X. And it tells you what the perimeter is. So perimeter 2Y plus 2X equals is 122. And then the second equation says width is. So Y is 4 inches less than the length. So length minus 4. Because 4 inches less than what? The length. So to find that length, you have to find the difference between X and 4. So you're subtracting. Now, since this is Y equals, we're going to just plug that in right there. So you have 2, write up a little higher. Let me write you higher. So 2 times X minus 4 plus 2X equals 122. So you got 2X minus 8 plus 2X equals 122. 4X minus 8 equals 122. Add 8. Give 4X equals 130. And divide by 4. So 130 divided by 4 is 32.5. So to find Y, you plug it in. So you got Y equals 32.5 minus 4, which is 28.5. All right, so hopefully you do well on the quiz today. After you finish the quiz, please start or should have already started the review, but please work on that some more. And I will see you guys on Friday. Remember, test Friday. If you're a class that I didn't check the notebook, please have that ready. There's a video in Canvas that goes through everything you're supposed to have. So please have that on Friday. All right, see y'all guys later.